Putting everything in a PM system is really important because you can keep track of everything that you are doing. You can keep track of your approvals, you can keep track of what's being revised, you can keep track of notes that your client is giving to you, which is really important as a project manager because if you don't have a place that you're putting these notes, you're going to lose them. Some days as a project manager are crazier than others. All your days are very busy. As a project manager, you're constantly having your hands in all of your projects. In order to be a good project manager, you need to be checking on your clients every day, and that's every client, not just your top clients. You need to make sure that nothing is slipping through the cracks. You need to make sure that all your projects are on time, on deadline. As being a project manager, you're the main point of contact. Any questions you have, any problems, any issues that you have pertaining to whether it be a video, whether it be an article, whether it be some social content that we're trying to post or anything like that, it's just all right there for them. And it's not them having to click on multiple different tabs or anything like that when they open their client project updates, which is what we label each one of our clients as a client project updates tab. When they open that tab, that is their specific project with everything that we've ever done for them, everything that we're going to do for them, everything that we plan on doing for them, even notes that we think of things that we're going to be doing is all in there so they can keep track of it and they know, okay, this is what they're doing for us, this is what they can do for us, and this is what they have done for us.